What's up, everybody? Good to see you again. Just want to wrap this year up by doing kind of a personal video blog here. 2023 has been an exciting year. I celebrated 2 years of sobriety just a week ago, and that's been a great thing. One of the purposes of starting the YouTube channel was to occupy me, give me something to do, so I won't be thinking about drinking and things like that. It's a hobby, so I don't take myself too serious in this matter, but yeah, it's worked out good for sobriety, and it's also challenged me to think about how I eat, and we've done the keto together, and I've shared all my favorite recipes, or a lot of them anyway. I've discovered through the YouTube channel that a lot of people enjoy spam, and not the kind you get in your email, but people really enjoy spam. So matter of fact, my best video was about spam, so I'll probably be doing some more of those in the future. Well, I know I will, because I got a goal in mind I want to do spam videos. But anyway, I've enjoyed doing that. I've lost about 30 pounds this year. Nothing to go crazy about, but hey, I didn't gain any weight, so that mission was accomplished. I didn't reach any kind of goal that I wanted to get to. I really don't have a goal set in mind. Well, I do, but I'm a long ways from it, so anyway, we'll get to that later. But yeah, it's been an interesting year. YouTube I've learned how to use YouTube a little bit. So when I first started this journey, I was going to do like 3 videos just to see what it was like. And I've done those 3 videos, and they were fairly personal. That was my testimony and my story. And then I decided, well, I'm going to do 10. I'm going to do 10 videos and see how that goes, and try to expand a little bit and do some more interesting stuff. And then I said, well, I'm going to just nail it down for the year. I'm going to do it all year long as hard as I can, and just commit to that 1 year of YouTube videos, and just trying to share some of my recipes and things that I've learned through the years of trying to lose weight. And so then here it is at the end of the year, and I'm kind of trying to figure out if I'm going to keep going or not, and I decided that I am, because I'm starting a new journey here shortly. I'm going to be using a program that's made available to me through my employer, and the program's called Virta, and I'll share more about it in the future. It's keto, it's low carb. It's just my goal by getting on this is to get off of medicine. That's been my goal all along. I don't want to be on all these dang medicines that I'm taking. So, and their claim is that they can reverse a lot of type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes and things like that. You have your own personal coach and stuff, so and their goal is to get you off the meds. So that's been my goal all along, and I figure I might just need some help in that. There's some differences between what I've been doing in Virta, but it's nothing dramatic. Anyway, like I said, I'll share my journey next year using Virta, and also, you know, what I'm cooking up and everything. It's not going to be a big change for sure, but yeah, I just wanted to touch base, and I just want to take a minute to thank everybody that subscribed and liked my videos and disliked my videos or whatever, made comments. I appreciate that. You've been an encouragement to me. There's nothing worse than putting a video up and nobody watching it, you know, so it's like, well, why am I doing this? But yeah, thanks so much for doing that, and the encouragement from my friends, my personal friends, not just YouTube friends, but people that I know personally. So thank y'all for that. And if you're not subscribed and you're interested in the low-carb lifestyle, keto lifestyle, hey, hit the button and we'll take this journey together. So, yeah, 2024, are you ready? Do you think you can hold it together through the holidays? I'll just go ahead and confess, I fell off the wagon, not the drinking wagon, but I fell off the wagon this past week or so, but I'm not really going to worry about it. I'm going to live life and enjoy it. As you can see, this is not my normal house. I'm pretending to be rich and retired right now, so I'm enjoying a vacation, the end of the year vacation. So, but yeah, let's do 2024 together. Stick around. I've got some cool things coming. Oh, and one more thing. There's a reason I hadn't been on the videos lately. Here a month ago, I discovered that I had a cancerous spot on my nose. Now, blue collar people, you can relate to this. You work outside a lot. You might be roofing houses, or who knows what you're doing, paving roads or whatever. But blue collar workers are outside a lot, and I was outside a lot. And I was outside and I'd get the spray sunblock and I'd spray it everywhere, but right here. And right here's where I got a spot. Now, whether it's the sun or genetics or whatever, I can't say all that, but they removed it and I had a big bandage on my nose and stuff, so that's why my face has not been on videos. Y'all don't care about the face anyway, it's all about the food, right? But yeah, guys, look, I know it ain't cool to put on sunblock or whatever, but you know, save your skin because you only got one skin, okay? Well, that don't sound right, but anyway, you know what I'm saying. You only got one body, take care of it. But yeah, that's taken care of and they fixed me up, and I'm looking forward to 2024. So hey, while it's Christmas, just remember what the season's about. It's about Jesus, and celebrate Him, enjoy time with family, and until next time, eat well.